All right, wanted to catch the light just right. The sun is just behind the trees for a few minutes, so I want to catch a video of this Lariat Ultimate F250 with the blackout package. That is a factory blackout package from Ford. We can send a copy of the window sticker showing the options, but the listing online at DIESEL4x4.com is pretty thorough. This truck is clean. This is actually a very good friend of the family. For many years now, this was his wife's vehicle. He actually is a manager at a dealership himself, but trust us when it comes to his vehicles. He's in Toyota sales, so if you need a Toyota, we'll hook you up with him, as we don't mess with new Toyotas. But this truck they bought brand new. She has been the main driver. We did some accessories on this truck for him. So a few of the options and upgrades this truck's got is it does have a spray-in bed liner. It does have the very nice low pro Truxedo bed cover. It does have the oversized open country Toyo tires. And it does have the Fox shock and Fox steering stabilizer upgrade. 35-inch tires, if I remember correctly. Yep, 35 by 20s on the factory blacked out 20s. Also a set of power retractable amp research steps, Super Duty kick panels, and the larger floor mats. Panoramic sunroof, clean inside and out. 39,000 miles, still under factory warranty. It is the ultimate package, so it's got all the loaded equipment just like a Platinum or a Limited would have. The larger screen, heated, cooled, power memory seats, 360 surround camera. Does have the trailer backup mode, LED headlights, front camera, side cameras. Does have the cab lights, 6.7 Power Stroke turbo diesel, and there is not a nick, mark, or scratch on this truck anywhere. That was the main reason for the video. These trucks sell themselves, but no hail damage, no dings. Scratches, no key marks. She took good care of her truck. FX4 package is an upgrade on this truck. Parking assist, trailer hitch and course, snow plow prep package. Don't see that really needed very often, but it is. If in case you're in the northern states, you want a snow plow, it's prepped. So it's ready to go. Nice truck. Basically every option you can put on an Ultimate Lariat with the blackout package. $66,995 for this truck, and the quality of this one sells itself. The video really wasn't necessary, but I just wanted a video to back up how nice this truck was. Brand spanking new. DIESEL4x4.com for this and all of our other vehicles. Even a 6-door Platinum there. Check us out anytime. Check the web and all the current inventory.